That's a great question. I think there are so many competing dynamics for packers today between labor challenges, between the cost of labor, between sustainable packaging, and for food facilities in particular, food safety and hygiene and quality. And for us, it's an opportunity as a partner to them to say, hey, we understand that these are challenges that are all very demanding. Let us be a partner to you to help resolve some of the business problems on the labor, the automation, the technology side, so we can work together and allow you to allocate your resources and bandwidth to the challenges that you really need to be focusing on while we take away the risk and deliver the productivity to you.